Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Swanda, and today I'm gonna do a little mukbang because I'm on lunch and we have Popeyes, and who knows, I love Popeye earrings. So I'm about to chow down and talk with y'all on my lunch. Let me pray. Heavenly Father, thank you for this food I'm about to receive. Let it be nourished to our body in Jesus' mighty name. Amen. I love ketchup with mine. And I love ketchup on my earrings. These are good. And hot. I'm so ready for the day to be over. I am. And I'm gonna go home. Have some cleanup to do. I have some sitting down to do. Cause I am tired. I need to wash my hair. I'm 8 months in. My locks. I locked my hair a little over a year after I went natural because I didn't enjoy like the detangling process and how long it took you to do your hair. I couldn't do that. So what I told her to do was to lock it. And I've been locked for like 8 months. I enjoy it. Sometimes I miss being able to do certain things on hair. But other than that, I don't want to detangle, none of that. Like, relax. I love doing different stuff in my hair. But well, that's all like, this ain't for me. And my daughter, I have a 7-year-old daughter, and she natural, and that was enough detangling for me. Woo! We're in the wrong area. Got me some Sprite. Woo! This is good. But yeah, I decided to cut on my camera and to get my eat on today. And God, I pray that nobody get on my nerves today, cause I ain't lying. People get on my last man. That's so good. Aaron. Feel cool this morning. I was sitting out here trying to warm up fast. But I'm ready to go home. I don't know why. I love earrings. I used to didn't be a fan of them, but now I love them. But I got crumbs all over myself. But I decided to start a YouTube channel because I don't know. It's like I'm trying to get out over the way of being so shy, because I don't like talking in front of people. I don't like talking on things where I know people are going to wind up seeing me. And I'm trying to get out of that. When I was in college, I had real bad anxieties, attacks, when I speak in front of people. Or we're doing like a video presentation or a video, any types of things dealing with videos and stuff. I just have anxiety because I know people want to watch it and judge it. So that's the reason why I'm just trying to step outside my comfort zone. And do something different. Like, I'm trying to move outside North Carolina. I like to go. I just need some fresh scenery. And trust me, I'm gonna miss home, but it's time for me to go. Do something different. I mean, I can always come back. Well, I don't know. And then maybe going to another career, different type of career field. Now in currently, I work in human services. God have a mysterious way of putting you somewhere. The human services is one of the places that I didn't think I would ever work. Oh, Lord. My lunch about over, y'all. And I have to take early lunch, so my lunch be about at, I take my lunch at like 10:15 in the morning. So, and I don't get off the 4, so I be hungry when I get home. I don't even know what I'm cooking today. My club. So I open the garage door, my kids be there. Wait, okay. Like little vultures. What we gonna eat? What we gonna eat? That's all I hear for now. What you gonna cook? What you gonna cook? But yeah, I might cook something now. I don't know. I go by the grocery store, trying to come up with some ideas or something that to cook for the kiddies. I have to figure out what I'm gonna cook during the week because my husband's coming home for a week, and so still on my hook for him when he get home, whatever. I don't know, but yeah, I just came in here to enjoy my little meal with y'all. Well, it ain't much of a meal, it's just some onion rings and just talk, because sometimes you just need somebody to talk to. So thanks for enjoying my lunch with me, and I'll see y'all soon.